Hey guys, it is me, MsSensational, and I am coming to you today with the giveaway. Yay! My bra's hanging out a little bit right there. Let me fix that. Alright, so this is the day that you guys have been waiting for and that I have promised you. Now, this is not a huge giveaway. It's just a little something to show my appreciation to you guys who have been sticking around and commenting and watching the little videos that I have been uploading on all the unboxings and the reviews. So I asked, what would you like to see in the giveaway? And I had some big stuff, but the big stuff I used and only got one of. So the thing was, I was going to give away some of the stuff that I had doubles of. So with that being said, it's not going to be the rebounder because I don't have two rebounders. I only have one and I use that one. So anyway, with that being said, I have gathered just a thing or two here and there and kind of listened to your comments on what it was that you wanted to see in the giveaway or the things that you were interested in winning. And I know I talk a lot with my hands. I'm very expressive with my hands. I don't know why. So here it is. First, let's go through the rules of this giveaway. Okay, so I wrote them down. So rule number one is you have to be a subscriber. If you are not subscribed to my channel, then please don't just come over here and think I'm going to enter you in the giveaway, because it's not going to happen. So you have to be a subscriber, and I'm asking that you hit the notification bell because for some reason a lot of people are not getting the notifications when I upload a new video. So make sure you hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time that I upload a video. Number two, you have to share this video. Share it. I don't care how you share it. You can share it on your channel as a video if you do videos, and then just send me a link to that video and I'll go watch it and be like, okay, hey, thank you. You can share it to Facebook. You can share it to Instagram, Twitter, whatever. Just once you share it, share the link back on this video and then say enter me with that link. That's number two. And kind of number three at the same time. So 2 and 3, share, come back here with the link and say enter me. And then you have to also thumbs up this video. Saturday, I'm gonna check that. That's a Saturday. So yeah, August the 18th, 2018, midnight is the deadline for entering this giveaway. So the first thing that I'm going to be giving away is this Derma roller here, and then of course open it the other way, the serum that comes with it, and I have not opened either one of them. Okay, neither one of them have been opened. So you're going to get the serum, and then also, you see it's still in plastic, the Derma roller. So that's number one. And then the second thing that I'm going to be giving away is this warmer, wax warmer. Yes, I'm going to be giving away this wax warmer. With this wax warmer, you will be getting a couple of bags of the beans that came with it. I did take some of them out and use them, so I don't want to give you something that's been opened. I will send the ones that I have not opened, and I have not used this wax warmer itself because I have another one. I just used the beans. So I took the beans from here and I used it with my other wax warmer. So this is still brand spanking new, never been used. So that is what I'm giving away. Let's turn it this way. So here you go, guys. This is what I'm giving away. And I may even include something else, just a little surprise. I'm not 100% sure yet, but that's up to me. So here it is. And again, you have to be a subscriber. Make sure you hit the notification bell, share this video, come back here with that link to where you shared the video to, say enter me with that link, and also thumbs up the video And again, if you are someone who makes YouTube videos, you can even do a small 1-minute video saying, hey, I'm sharing MsSensational's giveaway, and bring me that link back and just paste it below and you'll be entered as well. So that is it. Good luck, guys. Good luck. I guess that's it. So yeah, good luck on the giveaway. Okay. And if you have not subscribed, it's not too late. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell, and you can follow the same steps to enter this giveaway. So I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching, and good luck to you guys. Bye.